Happy Thursday, everyone. Let's get into it because the institutional signals have never been louder. BlackRock's CEO told CNBC that Bitcoin has more stability at these levels and is very bullish on the market over the next 12 months. And the firm officially became the first investment manager in history to surpass $15 trillion in assets under management. When the largest asset manager on the planet with $15 trillion says they're very bullish on Bitcoin, that is not a signal you ignore. June PPI inflation fell to 5.5%, below expectations of 6.2%, and core PPI dropped to 4.7% versus the expected 5.2%. So the inflation picture is improving on both the consumer and producer side, which strengthens the case for the Fed to pause any rate hike plans. President Trump is meeting with senators to discuss the Clarity Act's path to success. The Federal Law Enforcement Officers Association endorsed the bill, and Coinbase's Chief Policy Officer called it a dramatic advance in consumer protection and market integrity, so the support base keeps widening. South Korea officially classified Bitcoin as a strategic state asset under the National Asset Basic Act, bringing Bitcoin and crypto under the government's asset management system, and Japan's parliament passed amendments legally classifying cryptocurrencies as financial products. So two of Asia's largest economies formalized Bitcoin's role in their financial systems in the same week. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Blackrock, Vanguard, and the NYSE will participate in a trial tokenizing U.S. stocks and treasuries, which is the most significant group of financial institutions ever assembled for a blockchain project. Spacex shares slipped below the $135 IPO price for the first time, and PayPal may be going private, with Stripe and Advent reportedly offering $60.50 per share for a company that was once worth $360 billion, now potentially selling for $53 billion. Lynn Alden's Orange Juice raised $40 million to launch a permanent capital holding company backed by a Bitcoin treasury. In altcoin news, Robinhood Chain went live on MetaMask. Solana highlighted that bot did more volume on Solana on a Sunday than it did on the Nasdaq on Monday. Hyperliquid hit a record 9.2% of perpetual open interest. And Link launched Agent Pay, essentially the Apple Pay for AI agents in iMessage. Make sure to follow, and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow.